It's okay.
Because, like I said,
Yeah. It's just, we have to calm. Everything is okay. Get as fucking drunk as me, apparently. I'm still running everything
crap.
pretty okay. Oh, my fucking GCD.
Heal up.
See, the thing about me is I work really well at pressure. Because I never gave a fuck from the beginning.
Max melee.
Tank things. Troops up.
Elimination. The team didn't make it.
Boopy thing.
That should be enough.
Woo! Try.
Run motherfuckers.
I'm going down, way down,
Going over here.
and then I'm going. Yep. This is safe
Max
to
melee.
me.
Okay, we're okay.
I don't know what happened. I have to check my GCDs. Or my OGCDs. Oh,
Stack.
next is
Go behind.
run.
Run through. And go.
And back. Refresh up.
Excellent.
Second Forsaken.
Heal up.
Elimination.
I was afraid I didn't get prey there first.
Charge. Stick.
Good, good.
Celestria?
Yep. Celestria's next. I'm going to throw foes up. Foes is on. Pot if you have it available.
Good one. Good one.
Chains up.
Run motherfuckers.
CD,
Stack. Stick.
stay.
It's pass, so stay.
Do not run through.
Just let him do his part. Perfect. Now,
Max melee.
same thing.
Away from quick.
Tank things. And AoE. True
Elimination.
Third Forsaking.
Just focus mechanics, guys. This is, we're doing gold
Heal up.
now. Focus mechanics, please. This is the pushback.
Remember quick, you're going to A.
Okay. Refresh up. Okay. Check tethers. DPS in.
Go quick, go, 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 go.
in.
Watch out, watch out.
We should be okay, we should be okay.
Stack middle.
Just tether. Just move.
Yep, we're okay, we're okay. Okay.
Okay, this is Forsaken, normal Forsaken. Battle voice up. DPS in puddle.
Max melee.
DPS in puddle.
Max melee. Okay, get ready for the half room.
Check
Wait,
floor.
yep,
I'm going to
yep. Stay over there, you two. Over
Yeah.
here. D.
up north.
We're fine, we're fine. You're alive. Okay. Small trines coming out.
Fuck his shit up. That's all we gotta do. Guys. Like him.
Run,
and the
motherfuckers.
kidneys. Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Run immediately.
We're fine, we're fine. Go, go, go. Go up.
Max melee.
Okay. Max melee things. Things.
Okay, ultimate embrace. Stay away from tanks.
Oh.
Alright, we're okay, we're okay. Big trine, big trine.
It's big trine. Yeah. Bring him to middle.
It's empty talking.
Yeah, it's on crystal.
Run
Pay
motherfuckers.
attention, pay attention. Right here.
Stack.
Cool.
Go
Run
behind.
through.
Run through its futures.
Stay away from tank. Stay away from tanks. Weave on crystal. Ultima.
Just focus,
I got
guys.
him.
Focus.
Putting up a mantra. Quick, don't move.
Focus. I love you. Third Forsaken
Heal up.
coming. It's okay. Just chill. It's okay, guys. Just calm
Knockback
down.
pulse.
Push back is first, so watch your things. Get into your towers. Okay. Refresh is up.
Stay away from tanks. Okay.
DPS.
Quick run.
DPS in. DPS in. Now mid for heals.
Heads.
Max melee.
Just in the tower. Just in tower.
Get ready for half room.
Check the floor.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm
Burn.
dead.
Just burn. Just burn. Just burn. LB.
Shane got me up. Shane got me up. We're good.
Mantra's out.
Odd if you have them.
Oh, I think we have him.
We should.
Go, go, go.
Shine, be
Yeah, we're
shine.
good.
He's
I
dead.
just,
Oh!
Christ.
1 out 2.
I just shit my.
And you got the feather. And you got the feather.
Yeah, bitches! What's up, guys?
Yes, guys.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Holy fuck.
Oh!
Fucking love you guys.
Okay, so whoever was parsing, upload that, please.
Oh.
It's only one chest.
It's
I
okay.
don't care.
It's okay.
I don't care.
Yeah, like it's still good.
Oh, Chris, thank you for helping us.
Alright, what's in the
Yeah.
chest? Oh! Fuck
Oh,
yeah!
Can I have it?
Badge.
Can I?
No! No! Monk is one of my mains.
No, but Monk is my other man. I'm
Nope.
bleeding. I'm
Too
bleeding.
bad, I already needed.
You son of a bitch.
Hey, hey, don't you talk
I
about my
just
mother that
kidding.
way.
I love you, Black. Black, thank you.
Fuck yeah.